Hey guys, Connie, welcome to another console vlog. How's it going? Just a quick reminder, I haven't edited yesterday's vlog yet because I thought of an idea for a video this morning. Just as I got out of bed, I thought of an idea of called, I don't know what it's called, but it's like my morning, but it's going to be like a different type of morning. A fun way. I'm just filming just now. I'm on the bathroom scene now, just got out of bed on this bit. And I don't know why, I just thought this idea when I've got out of bed and stuff and just get ready and stuff in a fun way, like an awesome way, so I don't know. But, I'm thinking about stuff as I go along, so, yeah, I'll catch guys, in between making it and stuff. I don't know when I'll film next vlog, but, yeah, I'll catch guys in a second. Bye! I've actually done a bit of filming, and, I thought I might, like, show you some of the filming, because I've not done that in a while. I've not done the behind the scenes in a while. So I might as well do that. It's going pretty well. I'm thinking like what I should do next, like as I go along with the film. You know, like now I've like I went out the room. I got dressed, went out the room, but then I noticed I forgot to do the curtains. So I'm thinking like I could just like go around the corner, peek around the corner, and then I noticed the curtains closed, so I open them. And yeah, so that's how I'm thinking as I go along, because I actually forgot, I really forgot I closed the curtains, so I forgot to open the curtains, so yeah, I'm just I'm planning the shot now. Put you somewhere, if I can. That should be fine. Can you see me, guys? I hope you can. I want, like, I'm going out, right, I'm walking out now. Hope you can see me, guys. Right, here we go. Right, and then I want a close-up of me peeking through the door. Not peeking through, but like, you know. Hope that's a good shot. Right, here we go. I want a shot of the curtains. I want a shot of the curtains, so do that for like 10 seconds. I actually did 20 seconds because it's best to do 20 seconds and then guys, I've just thought of a funny bit. Is that a good shot? Nope. There we go. I thought of a funny idea for the ending part of this video. Basically, I'm sat down, I don't know, we're doing whatever in the morning. I think it's the morning, but when I look at the clock, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so so it's like not the morning. I just realised it's not the morning. I've been sleeping all day, so so I'm just planning this shot out now. Right, here we go. Oh wait, I did that wrong. Right, so on this part, I slide to the counter, and then I do magic tricks, like I make a cereal bowl appear, then cereal inside it, then milk inside it, then a spoon, and then I go away with it. So yeah, I've got to do this really good though. Right, here we go. Oh wait, I did that wrong. You know what? I was supposed to pick it up. Yeah, because I was like supposed to pick it up in the film when I've actually done magic tricks on it. So I'll just record the magic first. You know, the cereal and all that. Here we go. Right, so I'll get out the way. It's there. Right, and then the bowl. Is the other milk? Yeah, there. Right. There. Right. Is that recording? Yeah. Right. Then the milk. Put that there. Right, and then the milk. Oh, crap. It fell into there. Right, and then the milk. Put all these back in the fridge. Right. mix the milk, and then mix a spoon. So now I'm right. Oh, I did it wrong. I'm supposed to keep it out of the shot. Right. I'm eyeing this up like here. So I'll get like a... My shadow's across there. I'll try and fix that though, because the colour correction will be fine. Right, here we go. So it's bowl, cereal, milk, spoon. Right, and then take it away. Right. Wait, is that wrong? Oh crap! I moved it. Crap! Oh no! I moved it! Right, so what I'm going to do instead, I know this is crap, but I'm going to do the same thing, but the cereal's just going to appear there. I was hoping to do it with all different things in the cereal, but it never worked, so that's crap. Right, so here we go. Right, so delete that. There's a huge shadow in front of the stuff. It'd be best to have like a spotlight or something. Oh, that light up there, does that work? Kinda does. Still a big shadow across there though, but nah. Right. Right, so I'll put all this. What's that? Right, the things I do for you guys. I'm always like getting really stressed out when nothing works in my videos, so I get really stressed out, so that's why I can't calm down for. It's only a video. Right, so I'm gonna have to move you guys over here. Is that a good shot? I think so. Right, so that without me. Right? And then the on. There. Hope that worked. Let's see that. I really hope that worked, guys. I'm just gonna see it. I'll check it. I'll catch you guys in a second. Right, I think that worked. I hope it works in the editor though. That cereal's going soggy, and I'm freaking sweating. Wow, my armpits are sweating because I'm wearing this in spring. I'm wearing this bloody hoodie in spring. It's annoying. I always wear it for my videos though, just for videos. I never wear it like any time when I'm not making a video. Because this is my official Constructs TV hoodie. I like this hoodie. Right, I better eat this cereal on film because it's going soggy, so right, I'll catch you guys in a second when I finish filming, so I don't want to film most of the behind the scenes anymore, so yeah, because I've nearly finished now, so yeah. That's a wrap, people. That's a wrap. It's on that thing there. I'm probably going to edit that like this later this afternoon while yesterday's vlog is uploading. Damn, I've got to edit it still. Wow. Right, I'll catch you guys later after I finish editing it, okay? And I'll be starting to edit the video that I just made today, so yeah. Right, so it's lunchtime and I'm going to make some super noodles for lunch. Yum. Oh, nice. Bit hot. Oh, there's like some banging or something. Well, that was weird. I heard like banging or something. Or next door or something. Holy hell! I just heard like a, you know, like the honks that you have on boats and big like foghorn things. Sound like one of them out there. What was that? That was freaking weird. That there's no boats around here. Or was it? I don't know if it were like a. Now I can hear the police sirens. The cops coming! Run! wow, I've not been vlogging for most of the day. I'm really sorry about that, guys. But I've edited my video and I'm now uploading it. And I'm just playing with Ziggy. It said in the corner that I unlocked a level. It's called Teenage Summit. And it looks like now he's a teenager, so... so I've just fed him and I'm going to put it to sleep now because he needs to get his energy back, so... Yeah, so... yeah, it's I've just left a Skype call with Dad just to catch up with and stuff. Yeah, it's just been fun talking to him. And so I'm just going to watch the video. It's actually really good. Check this out. I made this intro myself. It's actually the first time I've actually had moving text like that. It's like, you know, like they get on like cartoons, you get like wiggly text, and that's pretty cool. I've actually done that myself, and it's that inspired me to do that from Mike Tony TV. Yeah, I'll probably give you a shout out to him before in the vlogs. But that his old intros inspired me to do that text, moving text and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I probably might start doing that from now on now. So it didn't really take long to do that moving text, so that's pretty cool. So so that's guys tomorrow. I've got plans for tomorrow. My parents are coming to pick me up. I'm probably going to a barbecue. Yeah, so I probably won't vlog the barbecue tomorrow, but I'm sleeping at my parents' house tomorrow night. Yeah, tomorrow night. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.